think that being alone is a weakness.
Nangata de nang sahango bua nanga yonga tu hai nyai ba jasan nangata de.
But I want to tell you, this is the power for your life where you can recognize who you are.
Yang wei tau hatau hipang hatau nang da mong yong ni ihu bua hatau nang sahato bu hipang mai nang saha awo jam hai ponglak awo ye yong be tau ngonang gi sa awo ye ngai bu hipang manang tau leng ha bu si bu ye hipang manang chu dai mong sang bu hipang manang hatau ge yong bu hatau nang nang
This is the right and accurate time for your life that you are going to recognize who you are.
Hatau hipang manaksi nanga tawa awishi nanga awihisi nanga nang jeng sunga ya oklak hipang unang.
What do you need to do it?
Tau hipang manang hangileng laksi.
You know that your creator God always gives a talent.
Nang hatau hipang manang atay daw ya kawang tau lengbu kawang tau lengbu pa kawang iya kong kembutang ba delen mui lantang maheng hau cha pong phayang nang nang hatau te tu ya.
Everyone have some kind of talent in themselves that they need to recognize it.
Mui lan magata asay tang ma iyak toy kawang iyak toy malengbu ili ja i jahali lengbu kadalan asay ma mui landa heng hau cha pong phayang nang.
Sit silent and try to think what you can do the best.
Tau kai nang jeng ha bu nyui jeng ma nang so chang nang wan wong chang ma nang so chang nang hangi leng lak hatau nang tei dau dau.
Go near to God, He will give you strength.
Yang hatau hipang manang kawang song do o pai dau yang nang hatau yam nang dau iya nang dau wong phalak.
You are going to fly.
Tau hipang manang pu okla.
I want to tell you a small story and want to pray for you guys.
Tau so no story ja bu ngau cha yang tau naman jeng ni yo punang.
Once upon a time there was a one bird.
Hipak jam hatau au ha chang ngo yang gi.
And when she wake up early in the morning and open eyes, there was no one near to her.
Au ba hatau au halau ya ba sibu sen hatau kia nam nang song hatau selau bu hipang ma nam nang sompong hipang ma mực ep bu hipang ma au bu yan nang song ma au bu yan nang ngo yang gi.
And the nest was on the branch, and that bird just sitting and waiting that their parents will come.
Yang hatau au hai hatau kia elup ma hai pinu sau ma elup ma so changa hai tan ngo yang gi tai bu inu pa hatau halang nut ya yang apa klak si tan ngo yang gi pinu sau me.
Because till yesterday evening, their parents coming and feeding that bird.
An pong mai da hatau gi nyu pa yang ai hatau kia hatau au ha da hatau gi u ngo yang gi elup me.
He's waiting that today also.
Yang ani ba ni ba anyo inyu pa glak sa hatau elup ma inyu an tan ngo yang.
Do you know what happened?
Yang boy hatau hipang mahangai bu si.
Evening happened.
An pong pa anyo.
Night happened.
Ya nang ngai.
Again next morning happened.
Anyo ani ba na pa.
No one coming.
Awo ye pa itang te.
Feeling hungry.
Yong si nya bu pa.
Sometimes this happened to our life.
Hatau pa bu gi tu man yan tu pa ngonang.
Till yesterday everything was going very comfort and very well, and sudden like that situation come where everything become change.
Au sumbu menya da ngoi sia menyi da ngoi sa nang da hatau ki bu sa yong smooth pa bu chuai pak yong mai pa yang mok sa nang yan dang ma hatau ki bu chuai wan yong saplak yong mai bu ya phan nang da pa ngonang pa.
Same happened to this bird.
Hatau chali hatau do hatau pa yang gi hipak pa yang gi.
No one coming.
Au ye pa hatau ulak chang.
Hungry.
Yong sinya bu pa.
Waiting.
Hatau ha yama hatau gi tan ngo yang gi pinyo sa we au. Pinyo sa ma hatau au ha elup ma yong sinya bu pa wa sa
Hunger
yang gi.
increase and increase and increase.
Au ba sinya bu sa ji wong khan wong au ba sinya bu loi khan ya bai.
This is my imagination that bird might be looked from the branch to down, it's so height.
Au sung bo hatau tau te bu hisap ta au sung bo hatau au ha hatau pinyu sau ma elup ma hai so chang tuan lei ban ta yong tao ngi nang pai da.
Winds are coming.
Hayang wang wung wang yang yong lay bay.
This jungle looks very strange.
Hayang over hada halaya bay lay bu hipang ma yong pau nyu yung chong I jing le yong nyam nyam sangi.
This is the accurate time for this bird to fly.
Hayang bu hata hipang ma ha pulak sa ji tau hata kong kumbu overcome na myang lak jing na tau pu tai lak se bu hata hai te tau yang.
This is the right time for you to be fly.
Tau kai hata hipang ma kak su hata jing na tau pu tai lak se bu hai te tau.
You are going to be capable.
Hayang hata hipang ma nak si tawa sa ji hata hipang jing na ok lak hipak sa
There is an accurate time for this bird to be get provided by their parents or by provided by anything.
Hata hipang ma ma bu u yung bu hipak kak su bu hipang ma payang gi u yang gi pau yang gi.
Accurate time.
Pau bu hipak kak su bu ma u yung bu pau bu asai lan cha pau tau yang gi.
The hunger let him fly.
Hayang bu si nyao bu hipang ma hata ki pulak kong wang yang gi.
Once the bird started to fly,
Ba hata hai si nyao bu hipang ma te tau yang ba pu tai ya bai.
this bird never remain hungry again.
Yang boy bo si nyao bu ye to bo si nyao ye lai ye.
Wind coming,
Wang yang amyang pai.
that bird learned how to hide and save.
Yang boy bo wang yang pai ya boy wang yang pai bu hipang ma senga ya ok yang ki hada wang yang ma hang ka lo ok lak hang ka yan ya lak
Sometimes every experience comes newly in our life, but don't fear.
Hadau ki hipak ta au sung bu teman da hadau ki bu experience yui ya phan bai su hadau ki bu yan yui ya tu sau da bai yo ngonang bai.
This is the accurate time for your life.
Hayang bai hadau hipang manang jeng
I
hipak
speak to
ngonang.
you, this is accurate time of your life.
Hayang bai tau hadau nang jeng na hadau hipak kak su bu hipak ngonang.
You are created to be fly.
Tau kai nanga kawangan nanga pu tai lak jeng ne nang problem mabu nang mabu depression mabu yana tai lak jeng na kawang nang ayan lang yang
You know
ngonang.
what God calls in Bible eagle.
Tau jeng na teman Bible ma kawang hangin na ibu si eagle hadau aulan cheng ngabu
It says
si
you will renew your strength like an eagle.
hadau jeng na ibu ngonang kawang lepu jana hadau aulan ba ya panyanga nang yen alana myang lak jeng na nang hadau alana nyo jampu tai lak jeng na leng bo hadau lepu na ngabu ngonang.
The one bird who have capability to fly against the wind and heavy storms.
Hadau hajali hang sana wang yang amyang lai abai hadau hapu buki pu tai lak hadau ngonang.
You know, when the wind comes, it blows in that his wings and he fly higher and higher.
Ba hadau wang yang pa ya wang yang yong lai bu hipang ma setau sa hadau ki wang dang da setau sa wang yang lai bu sana tawa pu ong nang.
Situation is a booster for your life that you can know your capability.
Hadau jeng na situation tu ma da pai bu chuai wan amyang nang da pai bu depression hadau nang ayan da setau sa pu tam lak jeng na pai bu depression nang hadau pai challenge nang yong ok lak pong.
You are going to be fly.
Hadau hipang menang pu ok lak ngonang.
Try to know who you are.
Tau kai hadau hipang menang awi shi tawa awi leng bu shi nang atai tau ya.
You have a talent like your wings, but you are just closing like that and sitting. You will die with the hungerness.
Open nang ma heng hau ngoy bai nang ma delen ngo pun nang yeseng ban nang nyi jeng ha do ki so chang ngo pun meng ka menang si nya bu pai nang hai li lak.
For waiting, there is a time,
Tau kai tan bu hipak tu mana hadau seng lak pong.
but don't wait more time.
Hayang boy hipak lawan nang hipak cha jang cha lawa ta tan.
Fly.
Tau kai nang pu nang dau
Whether your relationship,
nang ma bu nang hangi pa relationship ngoy bai hadau ma
I
bu.
want to tell you,
Tau nang de ihu bua.
a person who speaks, I'm ready to die to get you,
Kada si cha nang tau nang yi tau le ma tau li la kai shi bua.
he will speak it.
Iya nang atau iya jago nang dalo ngau la ka cha.
So do he have plan once he get to you, and will he leave?
Open nang tau ya bai tau yang iya hangki ngolak si.
What I mean to say that it's very deep.
Tau kai tau tau nang da yong meaning pai hado yong lu inang.
Ready to die to get you.
Iya nang cha nang ye tau le ma tau li la kai shi bu ka da cha.
His expectation is only to get you.
chừng expectation chừng mong hâm bon nang tàu lắc cha hay tại ngon nang
Once he get you,
bon nang tàu ya bay
expectation finish.
tàu hi pang mà expect tum gla
After the future is blind.
tàu yang phải mà teman future teman hi tại mực pum pa cha le ngai gla
A man is the man who ready to live for you.
hi nang na tan cha na chia sako cha na chia nang chừng na tàu yan na tàu ngola khayang tàu nang chừng na tàu đừng là cái sự kata si cha nang đừng ngabo na miang ba sako na chen na tan
Love is not blind.
tàu ihu ba kan bua mực pum pa na ye chi ja
If you think love is blind,
nang kan bua mực pum pa san nang tai bu na miang ma
surely you will fall and get hurt.
yang boy ban nang kan bua mực pum pa sa tai yang nang kem bu na miang ma nang ako ko tiang lak yang nang ma yak la
But love have vision.
yang boy kan bua tu man chang na vision ngon nang hi tai ngon nang
We meet.
tu mi hau yang ge
We'll live.
yang tu mi ngon nang
We will live till the grandson and granddaughter.
yang tu mi ha dau ge yan chelau sang sa hayem tu ngoi che yan chelau sang sa ngola
We will meet.
yang tu mi hau la
We will plan.
yang tu mi cha blan tem la
What we going to do?
hang ye leng la
It is not that I will simply marry you.
tawa nang phai ya tawa chung nyui ba cha jang cha ni nyui bu ye che
But I will marry you.
yang boy tawa nang phai chung nyui ba
Whether you don't have money or that doesn't matter.
nang ma sing hai ngan ngan sing hai ngan ye ngoya yang ngoya
But God is the matter.
yang boy nang yan ma kawang sing bu ma ngo pun
A man who is ready to die for Christ can love you like a Christ.
tau khai au hi na tan cha na chia au hi sako cha na chia boy kawang the anyai kan bu kat asi cha nang jeng na nang the kan bu ba ha ta ba anyai wong pong
He have plan
ma plan ngo nang
with you.
nang phai
You are only.
yang nang cha hai
No more.
awo ye nang
No one.
awo ye che nang cha kai hai ching na awo ye nang
Whether good,
nang miang ya
whether bad,
maya
we are.
tu mi hai
We will be.
tu mi cha hai ngo la
Any situation
hang ye pa chu wen pa ya boy
comes,
tau khai kai
we'll pray.
tu mi yu pha
We will encourage.
tu mi cha hai cha da encourage tai pha
We will build life together.
tau khai tu mi cha hai cha da mong yong na tai tam yang cha hai cha pa ma tu mi ha dau ke life build na meng ha si
A true man boosts up the talent of each other.
tau khai ateng ban na tan ja ka ya siko ba tok phai da sung tam nang
Not to pull back.
tok phai da su ji lak pa ye
A
chi
man who said that I will get you, I will stop drinking, I will stop alcohol, I will stop all kinds of a thing, that is a nonsense.
au hian na tan ja na chia nang siko cha tau lak ching na tau nang ya bun meng ka ma nang ya yang phai ma tau jing bu lak lakai nang ya yang phai ma tau ha jing bu lak lakai tau chok bu lak lakai si bu kata si cha ya ateng ba ye chi
When you are also with him in the relationship till now, he cannot leave what the guarantee he will leave later.
tên nhị đừng ngồi xin nàng phải relationship ngô an tên nơi ia ia ang qua nàng phải chừng người ang phải mà ia hang cái ang ok lạc si
Marriage is not a medicine that the life will be correct.
tụi mình yên na medicine tawa ia che cha ia ang lạc chừng
It's not the game of a toy that we play.
tụi mình chừng người nóc sau và tụi mình buôn wang bu chừng người nóc sau ia che
It's a responsibility,
chừng người bua responsibility chang ngang
God given responsibility.
kawang chừng người bua sekon na tanda yong a responsibility yong phayang ngang
No matter
hang hi chuan pa ya
till the last.
akam deng ngoi se
Sudden our topic changed because Holy Spirit want to talk to you.
akam na kawang hada moksa hada topic lai tam nong kawang nang ta ngaw tam hu bu chung nang
You are living in long time in the depression.
au sung bun nang yong hi pak lau wa chu te mong sang bu jen cha ni nang
I know especially we are talking to you.
taw nang da hai ngaw bu nang
You are going to write down testimony.
tani nang sa kin nyan na taw
I believe you are going to write testimony. You are feeling the presence of the Lord wherever you are watching.
am bu nyu chung ban nang le ya bu nang le bu nyu chung ban nang sa kin nyan gla sa teng la ka te nang kawang nang da ngaw gla
Time of transformation.
taw khai tani nang transformation nang yen chai le bu ni na meng gla
Don't wait.
taw khai nang ta tan
Don't wait.
nang
Sit.
taw khai nang so taw
Recognize.
tàu khai nang chưng ha suốt pu phai wan wan jang ma so chang nang au hi shi nang
The
sing
talent the Lord has blessed you in your life.
nang ayan da hangi ba delen phai ang nang ki nang ha tàu sing tàu
Break this banding that you can fly.
tàu khai nang da sabu ha tàu lung nang da sabu vi lan dau nang e
Fly.
tàu khai nang pu na ngang dau
God has the best providing for your life.
tàu khai nang ayan da kawanga nang ta yo tàu bu mo he man pu nang da phala
Your
nang
faithful work is to be fly.
nang lưng bu tui shau khak su bu ma kawanga nang da mo he man
Jesus said, "See to the bird, I provide."
Jisu iyang ge leido au halande tau au halanda tau I ma wang ma halak khanang
But where,
ambu nyui chung me
we do not know.
ambu kan ding pa tu man yeseng
Don't keep an idol in your heart.
tau khai nang mong chang man nang idol da ang
Fly.
tau khai nang pu do
Who knows God talk whose heart that He will spread the food for your life.
au sung bu nang da au hi naka au hi phalaga tu man yeseng yang ko nang chung na tum yang
We are not preaching, we are telling you something in the parables that Jesus is speaking.
tu man nang da konyo bu ye chi yang bo Jisu Krista iya ngau le pa jama le bang nang da ngau bu ha do nang da nyaw
I know traditional preaching cannot transform and change your life.
tau khai tau ha tau kia hangi nyaw lai bu hangi kunyaw bu nanga kawa ngau chai bu tu man ha tau ba
But this is the rain time, revival time where the God speak that and it's going to transform the life.
tau khai ha tau hi pa kawa nga hangi pa ngau kawa ya ha ma hangi sagi na myang ha tau sagi kaya nang yan chai lai tam la khai nang
God is enough for your life.
kawa nga nang yan chung na ma tam
Again, I say this is the accurate time for your fly.
tau khai sao tau nang chung na nang de iya nang ha tau hi pa ka nang chung na khak su pu hi pa nang pu tai la hi pa
You keep this story in your mind. There is a nest and one bird sitting and waiting for their parents, and hunger comes, hunger let him fly.
tau khai nang chu te me nang mong chang ma ha tau hi pak fe ma ha tau pu ngau ang te tau ya au ba ha tau au ha cha I ni na pha lak tau hiang pu ni lam de ngoi se I ha si nhau bu de ngoi se I nyu I pa ye pai bu ha tau au ha hang kai I pu tai lak I seng ha tau pu ngau nang
I pray the hunger of the prayer and His love of God may come in your life and let it be fly. Let it bring fly in your life.
tau khai ha tau ma tau na man chung na yo pa tam hu ba ha tau kia khawanga nang ma bu hangi ba nang si nhau bu nang to he nyai bu sai ma bu khawanga nang ya a tai lak chung na bonang
Share this story to someone.
tau khai ha tau pu ngau nang ai halan dang mo pong tam do
We don't want that we may get some subscribers and we may get some views. That doesn't matter. But share with the needy people.
yang boy tau ha tau views hay tu mana ha tau subscriber chung ni I bu ye chi yang boy tu mana teng ba pu ngau mai kai au hian si nhau yang le ngonang au hian ya ha ma yang au hian I mai ma ya ha a sai ma ngo bu si nhau yang le bu tang nang ha tau share na myang bu ha tau ngau pong tam bu kai nang yan tam mo he man tam nak chana ngau tam
You don't know who is going in which kind of depression in your colony, in your friend circle, who is going to end up their life. This word of hope can transform their life.
tau khai ni nok sa ni nok yu pi ting sam ma hiang nang sam pa e halan tang ma nang sam jo e halan tang ma au hian yo nga depression me nga ngobu tang man nang ha da pu ngau ja pong tam bu kai nang ka da lan ya na tam bu ha to nang chen mo he nang
May God bless you.
mo he